Kulish pun di Februari session part. Te kajing pentip nam ta kitu kiba up nam ta ka resort polis Meklia polis. Te kala mi ka notice ba yaki marks la depan upload apa website nadu menta ka tarik ar tarik te sa sedang ban check no kertang ki jong pi up ya ka result. Dengan play kum ka notice bang ayo Government of Meklia Office of Chairman Central Recruitment Board Meklia Shillong kadang article la publish yakni. This is for the information of the candidate who had appeared for the written examination for the post of UBSI, UBC, ABC, BNC, MPRO, Fireman, Diaphragman, Diaphragm Constable. That the mark secured by the candidate have been published and uploaded in the Meklia Police website with effect 2nd December 2022. Menaduk mentakasni. Just check na ikutang jong pi ka katang jong website kadai Meghalaya Police www.mecpolice.gov.in. The candidate can check their mark from the Meghalaya Police website, that is www.mecpolice.gov.in. Also, the candidate are hereby informed that the answer key to all the question paper post wise have been uploaded where the mark secure can be verified. Kamud ba ya ki mark question paper post so answer key la dap upload te phila ban check mo ban ye compare la ra phio thik nem kum ka ba phitho ye ki marks la upload hang tu te phila ban check na ka question paper yang phi na ki answer key. The candidate are also informed that the list of eligible candidates to be called for the personal interview for all the posts will be published and uploaded shortly in the website. Then re ki kerteng jong ki ban poi ka personal interview bade on sa upload hadin minta nang pun upload tang ye ki marks kan mau tang ye ki marks Ndre ya kiban yo ban like nam tak interview as upload hadin te kini datang ki marks phela ban check ki marks jong phi yo score kat no ndai ban yo poi interview kan sami yang kalis. The candidate who have cleared the path in the post of follower are informed that the third test will be conducted after completion of the personal interview for all other posts. Te nam tak itu ki post jong ki bahab ban le ya ka third test itu pada on pendep syai ka personal interview but select hadin pada itu will be conducted after completion of the personal interview. Nakam tak post of follower. Kan mama ki bahap ka follower lanu kan deka test. Kimpat pentip ya tarik andre piapan up syua andalah conduct syua ka personal interview insya pendep pada saya ka test. Are informed that the test will be conducted after completion of the personal interview. Kin pendep syua ka personal interview. Teka sapen mi iketeng nam tagi personal interview. Tekan ne lapan mi aka 2nd December. Tengan pen I kilis ken sa check ki kerteng jong pi. Tekan long komne phila ban download hi ya ke PDF mo, phila ban download hi check na po website jong ka Meghalaya Police nang sabu apo ka link ru mark obtained by candidates kanang datang ki marks mo. In writing exam for the post of fireman to pa kin long komne yo kerteng to lami sagi marks 100% kom ta ter kin mi kerteng jong phila ka jong te sa check no apa website nam ta ki bala up la slam ya kane hir te menta kala mi warla kala slam ro ndai kala mi te sa check no iki kerteng ki jong phi tang ki nei jong pedip kulish bun narang don biang ngasa pentip isu